bunnies, welcome to another Friday video. For today's video, we're going to continue the mukbang type of train, and I'm going to be eating these whole these whole fruit bars. It is all natural. Apparently it has chunks of mango in it. That's the one that we have. My husband is diabetic. He says when he eats it, it doesn't give him a high like other popsicle and other fruity things do. It's fat free, it's only 60 calories, and they taste like really good, like really good. So that's the packaging of it there. This is what it comes in, a white packaging. It says whole fruit bars. And while I'm eating this fruit bar, to keep things interesting, we are going to be answering a question that I get quite a lot. All right, so the question is, how much masturbation is too much masturbation? You'd be surprised the amount of boys who DM me or email me asking this question. So the question is, how much masturbation is too much masturbation? And to that I say, if it's not affecting your personal life, if it's not, or negative, it's not negatively affecting your personal life, if it's not negatively affecting your work or school life, go ahead and do what you do. If it's not causing you physical pain, if you're not harming yourself, go ahead and do what you do. Okay, I will say though, at some point maybe you should cut back a little bit. If you feel like you have to ask yourself that question, maybe you should cut back. You know, maybe you should make some friends. Maybe you should go out more. Maybe you need a girlfriend or a boyfriend to help you masturbate. You know, maybe you should go out more. Maybe you should find a hobby, like, you know, painting or music or something, because clearly you have a lot of time on your hands and you're trying to occupy that time, right? So if you feel like you're doing it too much, if you have to ask yourself if you're doing it too much, you probably are. But at the same time, I feel like if it's not affecting, you know, certain relationships negatively or whatever, then do what you do. Enjoy yourself, live your life, all that good stuff. Another thing I want to point out, actually I think I said this in the beginning of the video, that is guys who ask me this question, because I don't know, do girls ever like go overboard with masturbation? I feel like I've only done that once, where I was just like home and just bored and really horny, and I think I masturbated like 3 times in a row, but that was it. I feel like after a certain point, like, you just maxed out, you just tap out. You know those people who are like, oh, I have to go for hours when they're having sex, I have to go for like hours and hours and hours. Like, I feel like if you get like a good, for me, a max like a good 3 comes is good, is enough. Like, I don't see why you need to go on forever and ever. Like, I don't know. I don't know. My lipstick coming off on this. I probably should have taken on my lipstick first. And I'm trying to bite it, but I got like 2 bites off of it and it's like cramping my teeth. But yeah, if you feel like you have to ask yourself, am I doing this too much, then you're probably doing it too much. What are you looking at me?
I'm trying to see if you're doing masturbation stuff. I mean, sucking stuff. Does it sound like it's turned into a oral video?
It's turning into an ASMR video. With the sounds.
But
remember that guy we were watching?
You look like you're sucking penis. You just put it all the way in your mouth and you.
Cause that's how I eat popsicles.
Okay.
Cause it's gonna melt. I have to eat something first.
It's melting in your mouth.
And then when I bite it, it like crack my teeth. See, I want to use my lips. My lipstick come off on it. So now I'm eating lipstick. Do you think there's real mango chunks in there?
Mm-hmm. You can taste it.
You can artificially flavor.
Read the packet that says it's real mango chunks too.
They can lie. I have lipstick on this stick. My mouth is so numb. I almost had a brain freeze just now. But Popsicle is done. I answered your question. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.